A bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Self-cleaning brush roll removes pet hair and long hair as it cleans no more hair wrap. Schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. The Shark IQ robot vacuum will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean right now.